Good morning everyone. My name is Assistant Professor Komal More from Sarhat College of Arts, Commerce and Science. In this academic video year, I am going to make one another video on linguistics and introduction. So my topic name is morphology. As we have seen in phonology, the difference between phonetics and phonology. Now in morphology, there is a difference between morphemes versus syllable. Morpheme means exactly what and syllable means what. We are going to study both these two. So morpheme is a meaningful morphological unit of a language that cannot be further divided. So it means that it is the smallest unit of language, and syllable is a unit of a pronunciation having one vowel sound with or without surrounding consonants forming the whole or a part of a word. In morpheme, it is related to the meaning and structure of a word, whereas a syllable related to the pronunciation of a word. Third major difference between morpheme and syllable is morpheme is basically divided into two types, free morpheme and bound morpheme, and syllable is divided into two parts, onset and rhyme. Morpheme can sometimes act as a word, and a syllable is a single syllable can make a word. Now we will see the types of morpheme. Here morpheme is the smallest unit and that's why it is divided into two types. First one is free morpheme and second one is bound morpheme. Again it is divided into two types. Free morpheme is divided into lexical morpheme and functional morpheme, whereas bound morpheme is divided into derivational morpheme and inflectional morpheme. So in word formation process, now we will see what exactly word formation process means and what are different word formation processes are there. The main objective of the word formation process are to form a new word with the same root by deploying different rules or processes. There are 9 essential word formation processes such as derivational, back formation, conversation, compounding, clipping, blending, abbreviation, acronyms, and borrowing. First of all, we will see affixation is a word formation process. This affixation means exactly what? It includes two types, suffixation and prefixation. So we will see the difference between them. Suffixation means words are formed with the help of suffixes, and prefixation means words are formed with the help of prefixes. Suffixation changes a part of speech meaning. For example, work, if we add suffix to that word work, now the word has changed. It's a worker. And in prefixation, it does not change the part of a speech meaning. For example, usual, if we add prefix to that word usual, it is unusual. So it does not change the part of a speech meaning. Third difference or third part of the suffixation is it transferred a word into different semantic group. For example, suppose if I say child, if we add food to the child, then the word is childhood. About 25 prefixes form one part of a speech from another. For example, head to behead. So suffixation is a characteristic of a noun and adjective formation, whereas a prefixation is a characteristic of verb formation. Now the next word formation process is coinage. Coinage means invention of a totally new term. Now, the sources of coined words. See, first example is trade name of commercial product that becomes a general term. For example, aspirin, Kleenex, Teflon, Xerox. Actually, this is the name of the company, but due to the more use of this product, now it turned to the term Cadbury. It is also a coinage. Second, new words based on the name of a person or a place. For example, Hoover, jeans, sandwich. Actually, sandwich is the village. Jeans is also name of a particular type of clothes, and that's why it is called as a coinage. Third word formation process is reduplication. Reduplication is a morphological process in which the root or a stem of a word or part of it or even the whole word is repeated exactly or with a slight change. Often, usually, when a speaker adopts a tone more expressive or figurative than ordinary speech, and is also often but not exclusively iconic in meaning. Next is the derivation. Derivation refers to the word formation process of adding a morpheme to an existing word. Can make a word class of the original word. Whether changed or unchanged. Unchanged word class. Non-smoker, booklet, disobey, undo, illogical. And changed word class. Hospitalized, delightful, worker, lantern, exactly. Next word formation process is compounding. Compounding means exactly what? Two or more words joined together to form a new word. For example, homework. If we combine together home and work, the new word is formed, that is homework. If we combine two meaningful words like pick and pocket, and we can form a pickpocket word. Now the next word formation process is clipping. Clipping is the process whereby a new words are formed by shortening other word. For example, by eliminating the initial part, last part or both part of this word. Example, phone. Phone from telephone. Plane from airplane. Ad from advertisement. Exam from examination. Flu from influenza. Fridge from refrigerator.